Hello from Bill and Christina. Exploring with our do-it-yourself camper van, Mr. Knightley, discovering divine nature through people and places in the U.S. and beyond. We met at Phil Foster Memorial Park to go snorkeling with our good van life friends we spent a lot of time with, exploring Florida. Watch to see my underwater footage with my iPhone in a dry bag and how it compares to Audra's GoPro. Don't we look cute? I'm actually going to try using my waterproof bag for my phone to take video this time instead of just pictures underwater.
We are snorkeling!
Woohoo! And I'm going to try my iPhone in this Sea Summit waterproof bag. Oops, I forgot about my Apple Watch. Better take that off. Notice I'm using my large waterproof bag as a floaty. Makes it a lot easier to snorkel around. The moment of truth, let's see how it works. You'll notice that filming through the waterproof bag is a little more filmy and dull. It is well worn after using it kayaking for many years. No way! I can't believe it works this well. I'm filming Audra while she's filming me. If I could just be still for a few seconds, I would film so much better, I think. And it was a little hard sometimes, but I was able to press the record button and bring it underwater with me and videotape. There's Audra again. Hi guys. It's definitely not as clear as if I were to have a camera that goes underwater. But wow, it sure did do a great job. If I had a brand new dry bag, I'm sure it would be much clearer. But it sure was a fun surprise to find how well it did. Okay, here's Audra and her GoPro for comparison. Does it look like I'm riding a bike? For sure, the GoPro is much better footage. And here's Bill, just fascinated by these cute little fish. The lanyard worked great to hold around my neck. But thinking the footage wouldn't come out very well anyways, I gave it to Bill to bring back to shore. We bought a waterproof case for our GoPro for next time. Of course, after Bill went back to shore, he missed out on starfish and barracuda, cowfish, and lots of other starfish. On the Palm Beach side of Florida, Phil Foster Park has a wonderful snorkel trail. Thank you, Audra. So I would say if you don't have a GoPro or if you don't want to spend the money for a waterproof case for your GoPro, this is a pretty quick, good option. The way it works is that you put your iPhone in this pocket right here, fold the Velcro onto the Velcro, and then fold one more time. And the idea is that the folds stop any water from coming in, because there's enough folds, it just stops the water from coming in, and it sure does work. After many memorable adventures in Florida with these amazing friends, we realized just how important it is to find connection and community, especially in van life. Our bathing suits and towels from snorkeling today all hung up to dry. The fans work really great at helping to dry things fast. Hey, thanks for joining us, and keep an eye out or subscribe to follow us next time on the trail. Have a good night on the trail wherever you are on your journey.